What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove your Windows 11 account PIN. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Do you want to remove the Windows 11 sign-in PIN but don't know how to do it? Well, the process is quite simple. First, open your Windows settings by right-clicking the Windows button and selecting Settings, or by searching for Settings in your Start menu search. From here, click on Accounts in the left side menu bar. Under Accounts, scroll down and click on Sign-in Options. Here on the next page, you will see the PIN Windows Hello settings. From the drop-down menu, two options, Change your PIN and Remove this sign-in option will appear. Click on the Remove button. Once you click it, it will ask you to confirm the PIN removal. Click the Remove button once again, and it will prompt you with a dialog box to enter your account password. Type your password and click OK. And voila, your Windows 11 Hello sign-in PIN is gone. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.